I do have extra water, which adds a lot to the weight, but it's balanced. So I'm up here in the mountains and I'm getting ready to do my first overnight solo camping trip in about 2 years. I'm really looking forward to it. Chance to get off the grid for a little bit and just enjoy the outdoors, enjoy nature, and enjoy the night sky tonight. The moon is in a waxing gibbous phase. And let's go. So I'm not sure where I'm going to camp. I was up here about a month ago, and for the specific reason of finding a spot to camp, I just came up here for a quick hike. And I didn't make it because it was too hot. All right, so now we're coming up to creek crossing number 1. This was an easy one. Of course, it's easier when you don't have 50 pounds on your back. I just want to see if I can stay dry across these creek crossings, so I'm going to do the best I can. Right across here. I gotta keep my balance. I almost fell backwards. All right, so it's going to take a minute to figure out exactly where I'm supposed to go here. So I'm just taking a guess. Okay. It looks like I'm at creek crossing number 3. So my original plan was to get out here by like 9 o'clock in the morning to try to beat the heat, but it didn't turn out that way. So now it's like I'm approaching the hottest part of the day. I had to get off the beaten path just to find, had to do some bushwhacking just to find a bit of shade, and because there's barely any shade on the trail. So it's getting hot. It's the hottest part of the day. It's usually around 2 o'clock. And right now it's just past noontime, so. But I'll trudge forward. Hopefully where I was thinking of setting up camp is not any more than half a mile from here. And so hopefully it's viable. Like I said, it's been about 2 years since I've been here, and we've had a couple hard winters with a lot of water. So I don't know what it looks like. It might be all washed out, but we'll see. All right. A little break. Let's get back to the trail. All right, that's where I came from, and that's where I'll be going back tomorrow. We go this way. Let's go. Well, damn. This was the creek crossing I was most worried about. And ain't no water. Because usually I go down this way and up that way into where I do my camping. But I'm just gonna head down the stream bed and see if I can make my way up to the left. Even if with a bone dry, I gotta make sure I watch where I step, because I do not want to fall. Used to head right up there. And watch out for snakes. Oh. Yikes. I'm seeing holes in the ground. There yet, because remember, can I say? spot right here. Look, get this heavy ass backpack off my back. Woo. Oh. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit. See, there's an easier way down to the creek. Right now I don't see any, so might be able to scoot down right through there. So, oh, okay. Hey, check this out, a bigger shade spot. Nice. I might make this my spot. This little campfire ring already set up. Set up my tent right here. It's for you, Bradley. Muy bueno. Woo! So this is definitely my idea of camping. There's no campgrounds around. There's no RVs. There's no barbecue pits, barbecue grills. I mean, it was about a 2-mile hike in from where I parked the car. And when I got over here, I had no idea where I was going to set up camp. And I lucked into this little oasis right here in the sand, right by the water. So I'm about to set up my tent, get a little bit more to eat, and you know, later on I'll probably I'll scoop up some water from the creek and make sure I get a fire going, because I'm thirsty enough now where I might just drink it, and I don't want to do that. So I still have another big 30 ounce or whatever thing of water, so I should be okay. All right, so let me get to work. I have to gather up some twigs and stuff like that so I can possibly get a fire going later on. So I have my tarp in there. Laid it down there as a moisture barrier against the ground, and then I'm going to lay in my my sleeping pad. And that's all I have is that one sleeping pad. So it might be a little uncomfortable. I had a second one, but it doesn't stay inflated, so I didn't bring it. And then it's going to be my wool blanket, and that's it. All right, so I think next I'm going to head over to the creek, fill up my canteen, and make sure I don't drink it. But if I can fill up my canteen and have a little fire and boil the water, I'm going to guzzle that. Forgot my water bottle. Ah. Right there. All right, it's filled up. Oh man, nothing like a campfire. So this is how I slept last night. You see the tent is open. I didn't put the cover over the tent because when I went to bed it was so warm out. I thought it was going to be a nice cool night, and it ended up getting really cold. So I kept waking up trying to stay warm. So I didn't get a whole lot of sleep. So the sun's coming up, and I'm just going to pack my stuff up and get out of here before it gets too hot. again.